Do worry whether your airplane is properly maintained. Hi, I'm Ethan. In this video, you will learn about 3 airlines and whether they're safe to fly. The first airline I would like to speak about is China Eastern Airlines. To start, China Eastern has only had 4 fatal incidents since its founding in 1988. Half of these crashes had 2 fatalities. The first crash occurred in 1989 when the right engine lost power and the aircraft plummeted into a lake. The second, more well-known incident happened in 1993 when the slats, which are devices that increase lift, were deployed mid-flight. As the pilots corrected the initial pitch of the aircraft, 2 passengers were killed by falling luggage. In the third crash, the aircraft slid off of a slippery runway and 2 passengers were killed on impact. The last crash happened back in March 2022. The flight data indicated that the aircraft was deliberately put in a steep dive. 132 people were killed. Looking back at these incidents, you might think the airline is dangerous. However, if you look closer, you will see that all of these crashes were not caused by poor maintenance from the airline side. This means that China Eastern is safe to fly. China Eastern has always flown by the motto to safely get every passenger to their destination. Next is Malaysian Airlines. The airline has had several crashes which have no survivors. To some people, the airline is quite dangerous. Malaysian Airlines Flight 17 was a scheduled passenger flight from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur that was shot down by a missile on July 17, 2014 while flying over eastern Ukraine. All 283 passengers and 15 crew were killed. Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 was another international passenger flight that disappeared on March 8, 2014 while flying from Kuala Lumpur International Airport in Malaysia to its planned destination, Beijing Capital International Airport. Though some people would say the airline is dangerous, according to Business Traveler, it is actually quite safe to fly. The third airline is Air France. According to Aero Inside, Air France has been in several accidents in the recent years. The airline is otherwise quite safe to fly. Air France itself said, quote, "The basis of the contract between airlines and their customers. Safety is a priority for any company and, as such, is subject to extensive controls and certifications," unquote. In this video, I told you about 3 airlines: China Eastern Airlines, Malaysian Airlines, and Air France. It has been shown that all 3 are actually safe to fly, even though they have had a few crashes. The reason is, all of these airlines are big carriers, and only a very small percentage of the planes actually go down compared to the number of planes the airline flies. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description to check out our website. I'm Ethan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.